Swann SWDVK 85580-4WL. Looking to keep your surroundings safe and secure without breaking the bank? Well, look no further because we've got the best budget-friendly 4K security camera system just for you. Say goodbye to those pesky ongoing costs, my friend, because this wired system comes with a 2 TB hard drive that has no additional charges. Plus, if you're a cloud enthusiast, you can easily upload your footage to your Dropbox account. It's like having your very own personal surveillance cloud. But wait, there's more. This system is not only smart, it's also compatible with all the cool kids in town. Alexa, Google Assistant, and Chromecast. You can live stream from multiple cameras and multiple sites, playback video, and even receive notifications on your phone. It's like having a personal security guard right in your pocket. And let's not forget about the impressive features. With Ultra HD 4K video, you can spot specific people and packages with ease. The wide 90-degree viewing angle protects your property in all weather conditions, and the night vision goes up to 135. Talk about keeping an eye on things. So why wait? Protect your space with this top-notch 4K security camera system. With a 2-year warranty and excellent customer service, you'll feel like a security pro in no time. Keep calm and secure on, my friend.